Today, we are going to review how the AuthMind platform can detect and remediate shadow access by AI agents. As you can see, we have a single asset which has been triggered for shadow access detection. And you'll see that this asset is a GitHub application, and AuthMind has multiple detections in place to identify this. To view the details of this incident, we will go ahead and scroll down in the details to look at all the accesses to this asset. And what we can see immediately here is that the user Abhishek is accessing Cursor, and then successfully authenticating through Entra or Azure AD. Also, Abhishek has a Cursor agent, which is accessing GitHub without any authentication in place. So this is a risk. This is a local account or a non-IdP user. And as we look at the incident highlights and details, we'll be able to see that that is what we have alerted on. Now that we have visibility to the incident, we want to go ahead and automate the remediation and actions needed for this shadow access to a local account. AuthMind can create a workflow, which identifies that this is a specific engineering type environment. Because of that, we will go ahead and create a ServiceNow ticket. Then we will go ahead and investigate GitHub quickly and move on to blocking the user that had access, because we don't want to allow local accounts. From there, we will update that ServiceNow ticket with the work that has been performed, and we will then want to send a notification to Slack to inform the team. Because this workflow is flexible, we can also identify other use cases if they are needed. As an example, if it is not an engineering use case, we can go ahead and open up a ServiceNow ticket. And in this scenario, we'll use Zscaler and go ahead and block the access while also looking up the user and then revoking the session of that user. And then once again, we'll want to update the ServiceNow ticket and then also send a notification to Slack. And with that, that is how AuthMind can detect and automate remediation and actions on shadow access of AI agents.